Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I'm continuing the series of Java tutorials. This tutorial has the goal to show you how the floating point data types can be represented in a scientific notation in Java code. Here I've got this table, and I made before this tutorial this example. So I've got here these three numbers. The first number is a whole number, as you can see, 5,800,000, can be represented scientific by this expression, 5.8 multiplied by 10 powered by 6. Also, the scientific notation can be represented using this notation where appear this E. This E can be upper or lower case. Actually, this E6 represent this 10 powered by 6. And here I've got another number, which is a real number, 352.95, which is represented scientific by this expression, and by using this E notation, this is the representation of this real number, 352.95. Also, I've got here another real number, which is represented scientific by this expression, and using the E notation, scientific, this real number is represented in this way, 8.5 E minus 4. This minus 4 actually is equivalent with this 10 powered by minus 4. So let's see how we can use this in our Java code. Alright, so let's go here inside IntelliJ IDE. I'm going to declare two double variables using this double keyword. The name of the double variable number, and I'm going to use this E from E notation, and I'm going to write this 0, 1, okay, semicolon. On the other row, I'm going to initialize this variable with this E notation. I'm going to copy and paste it in here, and semicolon. As you can see, I have not received any error. So this is the first proof that we can use the floating point variables to represent the scientific notation of real numbers. All right, let's declare another double variable. This time I'm going to name it E02, semicolon, and on this line I'm going to initialize this with this whole number, which is represented by E scientific notation by this form, or in this way, 5.8 E6, and the semicolon. All right, let's use this statement system dot out dot print line to print out in console the result of this application. The number, scientific number, let's write here scientific number. Oh, I wrote down the same number, so sorry about this. This one should be the next one. Okay, so actually this one, as you have seen here in this table, this one represent a whole number, and this one represent a real number. All right, so let's copy and paste this number in here, plus, and the name of the variable. All right, good. Let's copy this statement and paste it on this row. And here I'm going to write, to copy actually and paste it this scientific number which represent a real number. Yeah, and here is going to be number E02. Alright, so let's run this application. Here you go, here is the result of this application. So as you can see, we can use the scientific notation either to represent whole numbers, and now this scientific notation 5.8E6 represent this whole number, and this scientific notation represent this real number. So we can use the scientific notation in Java code using the floating point type variables to represent either the real numbers or the whole numbers using the scientific notation, as you have been seeing in this example. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.